Box opening process of 3D signage printer.
We are happy that you received our product. We will show you the complete process, including box opening, machine assembling, and printing adjustment. First of all, we need to prepare an electric wrench, a crowbar, a knife, diagonal cutting pliers and screwdrivers. Step 1. Remove the 12 screws at the bottom of box with the electric wrench. Step 2. Lift up the box, and you can see the 3D printer over there. Step 3. Remove the 4 fixed wood pieces in the corner of the crowbar. Step 4. Move the 3D printer and printing platform from the pallet to a working table. Step 5. Cut the plastic film with a knife. And cut the plastic belts with the diagonal cutting pliers. Step 6. Move the horizontal axis a bit, then get the computer case and accessories. Step 7. Remove the package and take out all the accessories. The 3D printer and accessories are ready for assembling.